So recently on Facebook, one of my subscribers said this, to which I said this, and then they said this. And then it occurred to me that I've never tried Reese's cereal. So let's give it a go.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of...
Welcome back to the channel, food fans. So as you can see, I've had this, I don't know, request or dare, whatever you want to call it, from a subscriber, Teeny Bopper, so thank you for this. She stated 3 boxes of Reese's Puff cereals, which we have got. 2 bags of the pieces, Reese's mix packs or whatever they're called. And 4 of the cups. I've thrown the packet of those away, but 4 of the cups. And a full bottle of milk. She said to try and do it in 25 minutes, so we're gonna try our best. I don't think I've ever had this much cereal in my life. I don't know if I can. I've got the big dog spoon. I've also got the small dog spoon as well. So Scooby-Doo and Scrappy-Doo. Don't know which one will be my preferred weapon of choice, but we shall see. I've never tried this cereal. I've never tried these like mix-up things. They're like little Smarties really, I suppose, or M&Ms. I've obviously had the peanut butter cups before. But anyway, let's get into it. I'm quite excited for this. So look, going to be a lot of sugar, especially for this time of night before I go to bed, but we'll see. I might be up twitching all night now, raving to Scooter or something, but yeah. Are you ready? So, without further ado, let's try and get this done, because I can't wait to be buzzing my tits off. Right, there we go. Timer is set. That's ridiculous.
I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today.
I will say, this cereal is mighty fine. I'm really enjoying this. Very sweet, but it's nice. And I got a nice peanut butter cup on there. Aye aye! Welcome back to another video, everyone. Thanks for coming back and showing your support to the channel. It's really appreciated. My word, I think 25 minutes is a bit ambitious. While we're on the word of support, the children who was in my last video at Meg's Grill and Chill have come forward and identified themselves. So I'd like to give a shout out to Alex and his sister Jasmine for coming down to watch. Really appreciate the support. Not even going down. And Alex actually has his own YouTube channel. It's called Lion Maniac. So if you would like to check it out and give him a subscribe, I'm sure he'd really, really appreciate that. But thank you, Alex and Jasmine, for coming down and watching me take on Meg's Mighty Burger.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Well, back to today's challenge.
Trying to stay strong and fake a smile.
It's another subscriber's request. You know, I always say I'll do your requests within reason. And here's one from Teeny Boppers. Never ever tried Reese Puffs before, and I must say, I'm a big fan now, so thanks for getting me on these. This is absolutely nailing my jaw. There's a lot more chewing than I thought there'd be. As you can hear me moaning, the first part of this was really tough on the jaw, purely because there's no milk on them and they're dry, hence me drinking a cup of coffee with it. A lot of chewing. I did have a really sore gums the next day after this challenge as well. Yeah, just really sore because it was just really dry and a lot of chewing, but you know, I stuck with it because I knew once I got halfway, it's going to get a little bit softer, fingers crossed. But I just didn't seem to be getting anywhere with this. I just didn't want to go down, no matter how much I ate or how fast I ate.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do.
I'm just trying to soften them up a bit.
Everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath.
As you can probably see, I mixed them around a lot, trying to get everything wet, just so I could chew it easier, because it was like eating cardboard. Sweet cardboard, I will say, is amazing. I wasn't a big fan of the mix-ups, it was a bit chewy for me, but the actual cereal itself, amazing, and I've always liked the peanut butter cups. Don't forget, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell as well if you've subscribed, so you don't miss any more future videos. And share this with your friends if you think it's worth a watch. Really appreciate it. Want to try and hit 1,000 subscribers now in the next couple of months. And with your support, I think we can do it. So thank you very much, everyone. We've just gone past the halfway mark, and I do actually feel like I'm getting somewhere now, finally. 12.5 minutes of solid eating, and it's only starting to make a dent. Yeah, it was a bit soul destroying, not gonna lie. Just ploughing away, and I did have quite a good pace. It was just spooning into my mouth, and yeah, halfway through the time, I was only taking the top off, really. It was quite a bit of food. Should have weighed it. I really should have weighed it. I got one more chocolate cup in there somewhere. I don't know where it's gone. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine. I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. But we're getting through it. As you can see, it's getting lower now. Keep checking the time, because I know it's not an official challenge, but I do want to try and get in the time that the Teeny stated. Just to say I done it, really, because a bit of a show off. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They want to rise up while you drown. But it was a lot harder than I thought. I wasn't full after this. I did feel quite sick, though. It's just so sweet. I don't think I've eaten anything so sweet in my life. Surprised I got any teeth left, if I'm honest. I'm starting to feel a bit nauseous now. There we are. Like I said, the nose just kicking in. Just because it was so sweet. And I've been contemplating doing a Ben and Jerry's challenge for some time now. But halfway through this, I was thinking, am I going to be able to stick that? Because I like sweet stuff, but I don't like it that much. But if you think that'd be a good watch, a Ben and Jerry's challenge, write a comment and let me know. If not, tell me it's not. But I just thought it'd be a good one. Try and do 10 tubs of Ben and Jerry's or something like that.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't
We just hit the 20-minute mark. Am I going to do it? I feel all weight than that though.
I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost. Need to be strong every breath though. 'Cause I can't move on till I
Why?
let go.
Not really. I do think that is the sweetest milk in the world. And that's me making an absolute pig of myself. Swigging milk and pouring half it down me. Ruining my new Gore Hound's top. But I'm going to leave you there anyway, guys. We've got about 4 minutes left. And I'll leave you to the controversial end. Leave in the comments your thoughts on the ending. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Ta-ra. Put in the last cup.
I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong every breath hold. 'Cause I can't move on till I let go.
I feel so sick, it's unbelievable. Playing for 42. My pissing camera cut out. I don't know when. Was it right at the moment I done it or not? Well, I haven't done it really because I still got to swallow it, but excuse me, I had it all in my mouth by 25 minutes. Technology, eh? It is quite hard to swallow now. I feel so sick. Well, there we are then, food fans. I don't know if I've done it or not. That's the answer. After review the footage. Obviously I got it all in my mouth by the time the 25 minutes come. I haven't finished chewing it and swallowing it, so obviously no, but the problem I got, I use a Canon camera and they will only record for 30 minutes and they stop. Some European law or something, I don't know. And you have to press record again to get it recording again. Which isn't a problem. If you've got your eye on there and you see it switch off, you can run within a matter of 2 seconds. I could have had it back on, but I didn't, did I? I had my face in the bowl, and then as I finished, I put my bowl down, I looked, and it had stopped recording. So, don't know if I got it on camera or not, so, you know, I don't want anyone accusing me of cheating, so if it's not on there, I'm going to count it as a loss. But I know in my heart of hearts, I did actually eat all that. Might not have been in the time, but I did eat it all. But we'll have to review the footage, and we can all make our decisions ourselves. But thank you all for watching. I'd like to give another shout out as well to Gore Hound Clothing. Lee over there, don't know if you heard me say sorry, Lee. That was because I poured milk all down myself. But shout out to Gore Hound Clothing. I will leave a link in the description with a 10% discount code GORE10. I'll see you on the next one, everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Hit that notification bell. Hit bell if you want, but hit the notification bell. Like the video, share the video with everybody. See you soon. Ta-da.